Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about Pinterest influencers. How to find influencers on Pinterest that you can use to promote your products and services. So let's get started, guys. So the first thing I want you to do is head on over to Google and type in similar web extension. And you want to click on the first result, which is going to take you to this page. And I want you to go ahead and add this tool to your toolbar up here, and you're going to get this little icon. Once you're done with that, we want to head on over to the next step. Go to Google and type in pingroupie.com, and it's going to take you to this website. Now, a lot of you know Pingroupie as a website that you can find group boards on Pinterest that you can join. But what you guys didn't know is that they have this new option that says Find Pinterest Influencers. So if you go ahead and click on that button up there, you can go ahead and add in your keyword. So let's say you are in the fashion niche and you want to find influencers. You can sort this out by monthly viewers. So we'll go ahead, they're going to give you all of the different accounts in the fashion niche with the highest amount of monthly viewers. Now you can also go ahead and sort this by growth to see certain accounts and how well they're growing, how fast they're growing, and the virality rate of that particular account. And you're going to see different percentages on here that's going to tell you how well that particular account is doing. So let's go back to monthly viewers and let's choose an account here that is relevant to your niche and has a high amount of monthly viewers. Let's go with the first one to open it up, and let's see what it looks like on Pinterest. So right away you see that this one has 9.9 monthly viewers, and right off the bat I can tell you that this particular site is promoting pins on Pinterest, so it's not going to be a good fit for you to use as an influencer to promote your products. Something else you need to understand is that this is not an English speaking blog or website, so you need to take that into consideration as well. Now to go ahead and do your research, you simply want to go ahead and click on the website, and you want to find out the traffic details of this particular website. Now that's why you downloaded this plugin. Simply go ahead and click on it, and it's going to give you the insights, how much monthly visitors this website is getting, and the bounce rate, and how many pages the visitors visit when they're on the website, and all of the information you need for that particular website. But what you want to do right now, you want to go to traffic and engagement, because you want to see how much traffic this website is getting from Pinterest. So we're going to scroll all the way down to traffic sources, and right off the bat you're going to see that 60% of this website gets its traffic from search and 21% is from direct. You only have 10% from social. So if we scroll down further, you're going to see that Pinterest gives around 70% of the 10% traffic, social traffic, that comes to this website. Now because I'm so terrible in math, guys, I had to go ahead and do this on Google, and we can see right away that 276,000 monthly viewers, monthly visitors go onto this website every single month from Pinterest. So you can use that as your base, your research, to see exactly how much traffic this particular website is getting and decide if you want to use this website as an influencer to go ahead and promote your products or services. But just know that with accounts that use promoted pins, they're going to charge you a lot of money to promote your products on their accounts. So let's go ahead and check out the second site, and it's going to be what to wear. So we're going to open that up, and you can see this one has 10 million monthly viewers on Pinterest. If we go ahead and check out the website, you're going to see that this one gets about 4 million monthly viewers. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on SimilarWeb. And if we scroll down all the way to traffic, you're going to see that 7.2% of the 4 million monthly viewers is from social, and half of that is from Pinterest. So if we go ahead and check that out, you're going to see that 7% of 4 million is 280,000. Now divide that by 2, because only 50% of that 7% comes from Pinterest. You have around 140,000 visitors from Pinterest. Now, once you find an account that you think is relevant to your niche and gets a good amount of traffic from Pinterest, you can go ahead and contact the owner of that particular website. Now, if we go to the website on here, you can simply go to the About section of the website. And if you don't find it at the top, you can scroll all the way down and just click on About to be able to see the owner of the website. And as you can see here, these are people just like you and I, and you can go ahead and contact them if you think that they're going to be the best fit to be able to promote your products. So once you've read everything about them and you're satisfied, you can go ahead and click the contact button to send them, a message asking them if they would like to promote your product on their Pinterest account. So this is how you can go ahead and do your research to find influencers on Pinterest, but make sure that you do not just look at a Pinterest account because they have 10 million monthly viewers. That means that they're getting all of this traffic from Pinterest. Sometimes you might find people with a lot of followers and huge monthly viewers, but they're not getting any traffic from Pinterest. So if we go ahead and check out Oh Joy, which is the highest one of the accounts on Pinterest with the most amount of followers. Let's see Oh Joy. Okay, and let's go ahead and check out her account. You're going to see that she has 7.8 million monthly viewers on here. If we go to the community, she has 13.2 million followers. So if we go to her blog, we're going to see exactly how she gets her traffic, and let's just play around and see what this looks like. Now with 13.2 million followers, you may think that she's getting so much traffic from Pinterest, but that is not the case. So let's go ahead and check it out and hope that this works. Yes, she gets around 878,000 monthly visitors. Let's go and see where her traffic comes from. Now, as you can see here, she gets 44% of her traffic from search, 42% from direct, and only 8% from social. So here we have 1 million monthly visitors to her website. And if we scroll down to social, you are going to see that Facebook has 37% of the 8% social visitors that her website gets, and Pinterest only has 10%. So 8% of 1 million, that's about 80,000, guys. And now she's only getting 10% of that 80,000. So we're talking about 8,000 monthly visitors from Pinterest. Now with an account with so much followers, 3.2 million followers, she only gets 8,000 monthly visitors from Pinterest. Now that isn't something that you would want. That's not an influencer that you would want to promote your products. As you can see here, the monthly visitors is very low, so you need to do your research before contacting these people to go ahead and promote your products and services. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you better stay awesome until next time.